Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the O3 Bubble Sheet Mask. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any makeup or impurities. It's crucial that your skin is completely dry before proceeding, as this helps the mask adhere properly and ensures maximum product efficacy. Next, carefully open the sachet and gently unfold the sheet mask, preparing it for application. Now, carefully place the sheet mask onto your face, making sure to align the cutouts with your eyes, nose, and mouth for a comfortable fit. Gently smooth out any air bubbles or creases to ensure the mask makes full contact with your skin. You'll notice the exciting bubbling action starting almost immediately, usually within just a few seconds, as the oxygenating process begins. Allow the mask to work its magic for the recommended duration, typically between 10 and 15 minutes. During this time, the unique oxygen bubbles will actively purify and detoxify your skin, lifting away impurities and leaving it feeling refreshed. Once the time is up, gently peel off the sheet mask, starting from the edges of your face. After removing the mask, you'll likely have some beneficial serum remaining on your skin. Gently massage this serum into your face and neck using upward strokes until it is fully absorbed. It's best not to rinse your face immediately, allowing the active ingredients to continue working. Finish by applying your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration and complete your skincare routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.